In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Play Store balance to your Fampay account. This is perfect if you want to use your Play Store balance for shopping, transferring funds, or paying bills via Fampay. It's easy, fast, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, let's check your Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu and select Payments and Subscription. Here you'll see Google Pay balance. Tap on that and you'll see able to see the available funds in your Google Pay. To transfer money to your Fampay account, you'll need to link your Fampay to Google Pay. If you already haven't done this, let's do it now. Open the Fampay app and tap on Add Card to link your Fampay card to Google Pay. You should see an option to link your card with Google Pay here. Follow the steps to add your Fampay card and make sure it's linked successfully. Once done, your Fampay account will be ready to transfer. Now we're ready to transfer funds. Go to your Google Pay app, which you should have set up with your Google Play Store account. You'll be able to use your Google Play balance for payments or transfers. In the Google Pay app, select Pay with Google Pay balance and choose your Fampay card as the payment method. To transfer money, select the amount you want to send to your Fampay account. Enter the details like the recipient's account or your own Fampay account if you are transferring it to yourself. Confirm the transaction details, tap on Transfer, and the money will be transferred from your Google Play balance to your Fampay account instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.